Hi everyone, attempting to sew. I've done a little sewing here and there, but got to help the wife out here for Ohana Dance Company. I got to sew these buttons on using this machine here. It's a sewing machine, I know, but not very good, and I've already sewn a few necks together and I don't think that's right, so bear with me as I do a little bit of sewing, alright? Lost my thread. This is not going well so far. Here. Oh. There. Thread the needle. Ugh. That. Alright. This back through, and then I think we'll be good to go. Alright, get down. One side. Back the other way. See? Not very good at sewing. Getting hot. Had to take off my sweater. 2 shirts down. About 50 to go. Hopefully I get through 4. Another problem I have is, you see, this is the thread. And I gotta thread it through this. It has to come down. Go through that. Come back down. And then it has to go through the needle and through there. And it keeps coming out, and it's a little frustrating. Keep having this problem. I sew the front, I tend to sew the back. Cut that out. See what I can do. This is not the easiest thing. We're just trying to pick it up as a weekend hobby. That thing down. Up the little one, twist it. This was an episode of Jason Learns How to Sew.